Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix contact names are not showing in your phone. So guys, here you can see these contacts name numbers are not showing their names. So guys, how can you fix it? So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So guys, first of all, you need to go back and guys, you need to open your settings. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down and guys, here you need to find WhatsApp, and guys here is the option of WhatsApp. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys, you need to allow all the permissions in your WhatsApp. So guys, if you are using Android, then you need to open your settings and click on app management, and after this you will be able to see the WhatsApp, and after clicking on WhatsApp you need to click on permissions and allow all the permissions. So guys, I am using iPhone, therefore this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply you can on this feature contact list, you give the permission to WhatsApp. So guys, if it is off, then you need to on it. So guys, after doing on this contact list, you need to go back and your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to update your WhatsApp. So guys, how can you update? So guys, if you are using your Android phone, then you need to open Play Store in that phone. So guys, I am using iPhone, therefore I am opening here App Store. So guys, after opening your App Store, here you need to search WhatsApp and click on WhatsApp. And guys, after this you need to click on WhatsApp Messenger, and guys, here is the option of update. So guys, you can see here, so you need to click on update, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So because many of problems are occur due to new update. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.